Good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well. So we're having a meeting this afternoon with Mr. McGarvey and all the IB teachers to talk about what's going on. Looks like good news for you is that IB tests are pretty much canceled, so we can relax about that. That actually is fantastic news for me. Because I was kind of worried about some of the content that I was going to have to teach you for that test, doing that virtually. So now I don't have to do that necessarily. So that's good. My goal for you guys for the next X number of weeks is just to give you some activities, some things to do that's just good math, good review, stuff that might help you transition to college, and that sort of thing. Since we're relieved of the responsibility of the IB tests, we don't have to be so focused on that, which is great. Now, I don't know what that looks like as far as IB scores and diplomas and all that. Hopefully Mr. McGarvey will be able to answer some of that today. But, yeah, so we're just going to do some good math. We're going to relax. We're not going to stress out. We're going to enjoy life and enjoy the sunshine that's coming out. I don't know if you guys can see that video quality diminishing as the sun comes out. I need to put some shades back here or something. So yeah, but my only thing is if I give you guys activities to do, I'm going to have to, I'm just going to expect that you participate in those, so I can give you some credit for doing that, so that when it comes time to getting credits and doing all that stuff, end of the year, I've got record of you doing stuff. It looks as if your IAs, I'm going to have to submit all of them. So I need to start grading them. I'm going to confess I did no grading of IAs over break. You guys turned all those in, and I, under a normal world, I would have probably just got all those graded during spring break and had that ready to go, but I did nothing. Well, actually, I built cabinets over spring break. Still building cabinets over right now. Yeah, so today, what I'm going to have you look at is the Desmos activity. This maybe will take you 15, 20 minutes. Maybe 30 minutes tops. Don't spend more than 30 minutes on it, that's for sure. But it involves some of the math of kind of what we're going through, and kind of what my thinking was the first time I saw some of the curves. It was talking about the spread of viruses and staying below the line for the healthcare capacity. So you're gonna do this activity. My calculus classes are working on a very similar activity. I modified it a little bit for you guys since you haven't learned about slope fields. So those of you that are in calc, don't do this twice. So Fabrice and Audrey and Eric and Chris. Yeah, don't do this twice. Just do it in the calculus class. But yeah, it has you looking at some logistic growth and the derivatives of logistic growth, and what happens when you integrate those derivatives and you find those areas. Hopefully you make some important connections that I made. So that's that. So do that activity sometime today if you could. And then I'd like to maybe have a Google Meet with you guys, with all of you guys here in the next couple of days. We'll check in tomorrow, and then we will schedule something. I just want to see your faces and see how you're doing, and just make some connections. I think that's important right now, is that we're continually connecting with people. And honestly, I said this to my calc classes in my video to them, but over the past couple of weeks, I think I've come to realize that I take my students for granted. They just are there every day, and as I've been thinking about how the rest of this year is going to look, and teaching and learning, the one thing that I realized is I think I've just taken you guys for granted, and just the importance of the interaction with you and seeing you every day. So if there's one good thing that's going to come out of this, is hopefully I can keep that perspective as I move forward. So take a look at this Desmos activity. Get outside, enjoy some of the sunshine, because I think we're only going to have one more day of it. Later this afternoon, I'm going to meet with Mr. McGarvey, like I said. I'm hopefully going to be painting some cabinets at some point during the day. Take care, stay healthy, and we'll be in touch soon. So maybe next time I chat with you, I'll bring Bruno in. So I think I posted the video of Bruno the other day, but he did a nice job just sitting here in the chair looking at the camera. So take care. We'll see you soon.